Yeah, this is Monday, 11 January, aftermath of the blizzard here in northeast Texas. Driveways clear, streets are clear, and they closed the schools. People down here in northeast Texas, we don't get a whole lot of snow, and they are crazy paranoid when it does snow. And we got a bunch of fools out there that can't drive on anything slick. Wet road or snowy road, they're going to wreck. All said and done, we got close to 6 inches, believe it or not. Here's my truck. It's right there, and it settled overnight. I come out about, I don't know, 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning, see what was going on, and it was still snowing. So, it's already melting. A lot of water dripping off the roof. It's like the sun might come out later on today. Wednesday, I believe, is supposed to be in the mid-50s in the daytime, bright sunny day. So this is going to be gone just super fast. But it's nice to enjoy when it comes down. Lots of power failures, of course. We had about 24 power interruptions when limbs were falling onto the power lines and shorting them out, then they'd reset. So you can tell which houses are well insulated. Snow on the roof. Other neighbor's house, I don't know if you can see it from here. No snow on the roof, poor insulation. Our roof, caked up with snow, good insulation. Anyway, it's Monday. Getting ready to go to work. So, that's all for this one. Thank you.